Okay, so for scenario 2, we're going to look at a motor yacht. So with install 1, the router is located below the decks with long coaxial cable runs, and with install 2, the router is located near the antennas. What are the pros and cons of 1 versus 2? So on install 1, you've got an HD4 MBX, which is located in the rack. You're going to have long coaxial cable runs to the mast and high gain antennas installed up the mast. So you're going to have easy access to the SIM cards again, but some of the cons are massive loss on the antenna cable. So sometimes the loss can even cancel out the gain of the antenna. So, I mean, it's almost not even worth it having the antenna up there. Yeah, and lots of coaxial cable required. Install 2. So same equipment in that, but the MBX is going to be located up the mast. So what this means is you're going to have very little loss on the cables due to very short coaxial cable runs. A single network cable is required from the mast to the main rack, and so you don't have to run lots of coaxial cable there. Some of the cons is that power will be required within the mast. Sometimes this is already present, but if it's not, you'll need to organize this. And the SIM cards are not going to be so easy to access. But again, this can be overcome by using the SIM injector. Okay, question time. If an HD4 MBX is installed in a hard to access location, which one of the following products is going to complement the install? Is it an SD switch, InControl 2, SIM injector, or SpeedFusion Cloud? Okay, very good. Everyone's getting that one right. So the answer is C, SIM injector. So the SIM injector will allow you to remotely put the SIM cards on the router, and you don't have to go to the router every time to change the SIM cards.